to get up?
Yeah. Time to wake up for work, bud. Yeah, we gotta get up, man. We got a boat to do.
Can't you guys give me 5 minutes?
It's been 2 hours already.
What?
2 hours you've been under there.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know.
Now that I'm awake, do the final touches to the pastoral steps and get that on the boat. Y'all can check it out. Hope you enjoy this video. We're gonna do a quick roll through what we did here, and we'll catch you all on the flip side. Be well, be safe. We'll talk to you all soon.
Bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, oh. I'm gonna quit my job. Never wanna have no boss. I just wanna play my rock and roll like they do on the radio. Tommy's got brand new drums, and I still have my old guitar. And John said this next song's gonna be real good, if you know what I mean. Round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd. Everybody's jumping around. Yeah, that's the place where I wanna be. Going on stage, headline on a Saturday night. Oh, 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 Saturday night. Oh, oh, round and round the world we'll go, putting on the greatest show. So make sure that you don't miss out, just be there. Oh, just be there. We're taking our shot, bring what you got. We're going all the way to the top. We will hear the sound of 1 million people screaming our names when we're backstage. We'll play loud, surfing the crowd.